Hello everybody and welcome back. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Do it now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, let's start with our programs. So this is going to be import OS. So that's what we've got to do first. And we're going to create search path. Okay, so this is the name of the function that we're going to use, and we're going to create path here. It's going to be equal to input. Okay, and that's just going to prompt the user to enter a path. So we're going to list all the directories and files in that path. Oops, that's wrong. That should be input. So input. Okay, and now we're going to use for directory path, directory names, and file names in OS walk. So we're going to use this walk function here to go through the paths. Whoops, and then it's going to be path there. Okay, so that's going to walk us through the path there with the directory path, the directory names and the file names in it. And we're going to do a little for loop here for directory name in directory names, and then we're going to print out the paths and all the files using the print command, and that's going to be os.path.join. We've got the directory name, whoops, directory name and directory path. Okay, just close that off there. All we have to do now is to call the function, which is called search path. Okay, hopefully I've not made any typos there, but all will be revealed in a second or two. So we're going to run that. Okay, so we're going to enter a path. So I'm going to enter capital C : / users / let's have a look. What's the name of this machine? I think it's called Mark. Okay, and documents. Okay, let's search that, and there we go. Going through everything in there, all the documents, folders, and everything, and there's a lot of stuff in there. So I hope you like that. There we go. Whoops, we've got lots more stuff in there. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you in another video. Hit the subscribe if you've not done it already, give it a like, and bye bye.